Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest with me. What's her name?
Sabina.
Sabina. You guys know she's my daughter. She's 6 years old. But today's video we're going to do
I'm 14 years old.
She wished she was 14 years old. We're going to do a Stitch Fix unboxing. We're going to have a kids first because my box is actually not here. It's to be here on Saturday. So you guys will see her box first. She'll kind of do you guys a little demo, a little runway, if you shall, right? You really excited? And then I will do mine by myself later this weekend, probably on Saturday. I'm hoping it comes tomorrow. So I can see all the goodies I got. But if you guys would like to see what our Stitch Fix box are for this month, then just please keep on watching. Alright guys, so Stitch Fix is available in kids sizing. So if you have little ones, I believe they start from like 2T or like 18 to 24 months. I want to say 2T all the way up to like, I think like pretty much from like 2T up to like my size. They have a range of sizes, a range of different brands. And what's really cool with the Stitch Fix Kids is that every piece starts, I believe, at $10 or $15, which is really great because it really can fit into what your particular price range, which is really great because I know with kids, they grow out so fast out of their clothes. So this is a really fun way to kind of spruce things up. And it's really fun because if your child likes to dress up, like Sabina, it's really fun for the both of you guys. And plus,
says Kristty.
It does say Kristty. Plus, it takes away out of going to the mall. And I know sometimes Sabina doesn't like going to the mall, and it can be a little bit tough sometimes. So it's really
carts.
Yeah, they don't have carts sometimes. So it's really fun because you get the box, they can unbox it with you, and sometimes the box comes like with stickers, or they'll even have like a
candy.
I don't think they've ever had candy. They'll have challenges where like they'll ask you to like do something with the box, be creative, and if you win, they give you some type of gift card or something like that. But are you ready to try on your clothes?
Yeah, I got pink hair. I don't know if you really see it.
Sabina has pink hair now. But you're ready to try on your clothes and show what you got?
Yeah.
I already saw what you got. It's actually really cute.
How is it?
You'll see here in just a second. Alright guys, so let's get Sabina into the clothes and we'll show you guys what she got in her box this month.
Okay, I'm gonna get my clothes on and you stay right here.
Okay. Alrighty, so here's Sabina's first outfit. What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's a little short. It's supposed to be a dress. You want to turn around? Show them. It's a size 8. Their sizings can be a little bit off. You guys can see on the dress. It has little kitties on it. It's so cute.
They're bat kitties.
Oh, they're bat kitties. Sabina says this is for Halloween, but it's very cute.
I didn't say they're Halloween.
You did say they're Halloween?
I said they're kitty cats for Halloween.
Oh, okay. Alrighty, well this might be a no-go because it's a little too short.
No, I like it.
You like it? We might have to wear leggings underneath it. We'll see.
I already have leggings, see?
You have shorts, baby. Alrighty, on to the next outfit, okay?
Okay, bye.
Alrighty, here's outfit number 2. What do you think?
This is comfy.
It's comfy. It's a really pretty dress on you.
What's the tags? What does it say?
It says, I don't know, something girl. Alright, back up so they can see the dress. I will also list girl clothes. I will also leave the prices and stuff and whatnot on the screen, and I will also leave it down in the description box so you guys can see. But yeah, she looks really pretty in the dress. What do you think about this dress? Do you like it? Ooh, give him a little twirl. Woo, look at you. Very cute. You're silly. Alrighty, so next outfit is this top. It says free your style. Do you like it? And this shirt, Sabina's wearing a size medium. Oh my god, you're crazy. I cannot with you, child. How does it feel? Does it feel comfy? Is it soft?
No.
It's not?
It's soft.
It's soft. Do you like it?
It's not comfy.
It's not comfy? Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
You're too much. Alright, Sabina has her cute unicorn shirt on. Can they see it, Sabina?
Yeah.
It says, what does it say? Chase your dreams.
Chase your dreams. Chase our dreams. Chase our dreams.
Sabina, come here so we can see.
These are dreams.
Alright, so this is what the shirt looks like. Super cute. We're into the unicorns. Do you like it, Sabina? It looks really comfy. It fits you really well. Alright, so Sabina got a cute little dress. Do you like it? Twirl. Careful. It fits her pretty good. I think we could go up a size medium, but she could wear leggings and be perfect for the winter time. Does it feel comfy? I love the flowers on you. They match your hair. Are you ready for next outfit? Are you ready to go to the beach?
Yeah.
This one's really cute on her. Can you come a little closer, baby? Alright, stop right there. It's really cute. Do a little turn around in a circle really slowly. Slowly, Sabina. It's just a little bit too big on her. Her like boobs are about to pop out.
Don't say it.
Yeah, the shirt's a little bit too big. It fits her right, like around, like it's long enough, but it's just too big, like on the sides.
It's too big. I'm like a big rope.
The shorts fit her really nice too. Do you like the shorts? They're really comfy. All right, ready for your last shirt?
Then we had to stop the video.
So this is her last shirt. Another unicorn shirt.
I don't want the unicorn. I don't want anybody to see my unicorn.
You don't like unicorns?
No, I like them. But I don't want anybody to see my cute unicorn.
I know, it's so cute. Let's show them. Let's show them your shirt. It's so cute. Come closer. It's right there. Oh, it's so cute. I love
Can I show
it.
them my kitty cat?
So I want to show you guys her little kitty cat. You're silly. Alrighty.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Alright, so that's pretty much it for Sabina's try-on session. Let me guys, what do you guys think? What were you guys' favorites on her? I think Sabina did a really good job on trying anything on. I know she felt to zone out, but these are some of the favorites that Sabina likes. She likes the items that she has on now. It was with the unicorn with the little florally pants. And then she really did like these ones. I love the little unicorns. This is love. I would kind of wish they were like in my size, if we're totally being honest here. And then another pair of pink leggings. I actually bought a pair of leggings when we did this before. Let me see, like sometime last year. She would like them. They're actually a little bit too big on her, so these might even be a little too big on her. But I like it because it has elastic waistband, so she can kind of grow into them if they're a little bit too big when you just kind of like cinch them up. And then she really did like this other unicorn shirt. I don't know what it is. I wasn't really too big into unicorns. Like, I know it's kind of weird. I feel like I kind of am now as I'm like a 27-year-old woman, because unicorns are so awesome and cool. But when I was a kid, I was never really into unicorns. I don't know. Mom, tell me about it. Was I into unicorns? But she likes this shirt. She likes the shirt that she's wearing right now. She likes a flamingo shirt as well, but it's just a little too big on her. And then she liked this shirt. I feel like this shirt is gonna shrink. That's the only thing, is that like some of these, when you kind of want to buy the whole entire box, it has to be like everything has to fit right, everything's good. And like there's just like, I would say between this shirt, and the shoes is my only issues that I have with, because I'm like, oh, like I know if I go down a size in the shoes, she's that's the type of shoe that she normally wears, and I know she's not gonna like them. So that's my only like thing. But I save that extra 25%. But anyways, we'll get into that in just a minute. And then she really enjoyed the purple dress with the little kitties on it. I really like this one. This will be really cute, like for Halloween, right?
Yeah.
It'll be really cute for Halloween. It has some black leggings to go with it or something like that. So I'll talk about this again when I do my try on by myself. We'll have this principal travel with me. But anything you decide you don't want to keep, you will have this little party envelope on it. All you just gotta do is go to the USPS and just drop it off. It's really freaking easy. So altogether it was $206, but if I buy everything, I say 25% off, it'll be $51.50. So it'll come down to $154.50 minus my $20 stylist fee, and my grand total would be $134.50 for 10 items, which it, honestly, it really, and to me, like I feel like it's not that bad, because if I decide to keep everything, she would get a pair of shoes, she would get leggings, she would get a pair of shorts, 2 dresses, a couple shirts, a little tank top. It's just a lot of things that she can transition her clothes into right now. So I think that'd be a really great price. But like I said, this is really fun to do with your children if you are wanting to kind of transition their clothes, or you want to do something fun with them like this, even though she's like not even into this video right now, but just really something fun, and that's something they can try on and have fun and just kind of make some memories from it. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
So I have a couple days till I get my Stitch Fix box in. I believe my box comes with either 5 to 6 items or 8 items, 5 to 8 items. I honestly can't remember because it's been a minute since I've done an actual Stitch Fix box. But I'm really excited. I'm hoping I get some really good stuff because your girl needs some new clothes. But anyways, we'll catch you guys in a couple days. Okay guys, I'm finally getting to my part of the unboxing for the Stitch Fix. You guys already seen Sabina's, so now you guys can see mine. I just have one pair of jeans and I have this top and 2 other shirts. Most of the time with the adult Stitch Fix, you get like 5 items, and then like I said, the kids, you get like between like 8 to 10 pieces. Sometimes I've seen people get 15 pieces. So it just kind of depends what you're needing and what they kind of give you. But I am obsessing over these jeans. They are a little snug, I say, because they're like really high-waisted, and it's hitting me at the part right now where like I'm a little bloated. So once the bloat kind of goes away, that will kind of go down. But these are Madewell jeans, and these are the ones that have the buttons. Now this is what I was talking about in my trunk club unboxing. If you guys have seen that, you guys definitely should. I had a pair of white ones that I had in a previous box, and they're just like these, but they had the buttons. These aren't pulling as bad, but I know that once my bloat goes down, like that will really help a lot. But these fit so good. Like the booty look good, everything looks so good. This is actually a Madewell top too, so this is like a full complete Madewell outfit, and I'm just like, this outfit feels so nice. It feels like, you know, I'm about to, you know, go do something nice, you know, go run some errands, go to Target, go to Starbucks, something nice, just something, you know, go out to dinner. This would be a great like fun dinner outfit or a date outfit. This is definitely a type of shirt that I would wear myself. But what do you guys think? Should I keep it? I love these jeans. Like I said, I really want a pair of Madewell jeans, but these are super comfortable. And on the bottoms, they have the fray, which is like, these are like perfect. I think I might like these maybe a little bit more if they're just like a normal zip up pair of jeans. But I do like the buttons. It kind of brings back to like the 90s and stuff like that. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Should I keep this top? It's so cute. It's so like, it's so me. Like, if you guys personally know me, like this is definitely my style. I like that boho, like boxy shirts that really have no shape, but like kind of have shape, but they're so cute on, if that makes sense. But let me know what you guys think. I really like this outfit, but these jeans are so expensive. They're like $120 jeans. But the only thing is that I know I'll probably wear them like 5 days out of the week. So if you guys see me like repeat on the jeans, don't worry about it, because I'm making sure I'm getting good wear out of this. But I know if you actually go to the Madewell store, I'm not sure if they're still doing it, but I think if you bring in like an old pair of jeans, they give you like 10 or 15% off or something like that. So that's really cool. It gives you a little bit extra discount. But what I also like about Madewell is that their sizing is inclusive. So you can pretty much range from like extra small or extra small to like up to like a size 24. So that's what I really like about Madewell, because they have just an array of sizes for everybody, so you can feel beautiful and confident in whatever you're wearing, and you can still look cute while wearing it. So that's one thing I love about Madewell. Even though they are a little pricier, I do like I said, they do have a range of sizes. But let's go ahead and try on the other 2 tops and let's see how they fit. Okay, so here is the next top. It is a little fitted. You guys can probably see my little bit of my little pudge poking up. But this is the next top. This is something, it's okay. It's really soft. I don't particularly really need a top like this right now because it's like way too hot. But this is really nice. I like the material. I like how it's like, has like, it swoops, covers the butt, and it kind of goes down, so it has like that like little scalloped swooped design. But it's still a really cute top. I might have to pass on this one. I think probably out of this box I might get the jeans and I might get the top. I don't know. But so what do you guys think? Like, so this is just like a basic top. They kind of like, I guess, put together the outfit with the 2 Madewell items, and I feel like the other 2 are just like really basic tees, so that like if you don't like those, you got some basic items. But let's go ahead and try the last shirt. Here's the next and final top. This top is so soft. See, like with Stitch Fix, the only thing I wish that, I kind of wish they give a discount if you bought like 2 or 3 items, but they only give you an extra discount, which I'll talk here in a minute. But They only give you an extra discount if you buy everything. They give you an extra 25% off. So that's the only thing that sucks, because like if you don't like one thing, you can't get the discount. But anyways, I would say probably out of this entire box, I definitely like this shirt. It's so soft. Like, so it's like just like a basic tee. It's like nothing really special or anything like that. It's just like something that's easy to like throw on. And I'm pretty sure that's what I said. I want things that are just like really simple, that I don't have to get a lot of effort and thought to put into it. Like if I'm like, I just want a basic top, so I just like go to my closet, just take something out and put it on. So that's the one thing, like I said, like I enjoy about Stitch Fix too, is that you can just really customize what you're wanting. So, but tell me what you guys think. Should I keep it? Should I not keep it? What should I do? But let's go ahead and complete the rest of the video, and I'll kind of give you guys my thoughts of Stitch Fix and if you should try Stitch Fix. Alright guys, so this pretty much completes my part of the Stitch Fix. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about also Sabina's outfit. Honestly, I really think I might have to keep this little Madewell outfit. It's so freaking cute. I think it's probably, I've done Stitch Fix probably like 6 or 7 times before this, and I would have to say this is probably my favorite one that I've gotten, just because I really feel like I was like, I want something that's from Madewell, and they literally gave me like a cute Madewell top and some cute Madewell jeans that actually fit pretty good. I don't think I'm gonna size up in these. I just feel like if I do size up, I'm gonna have that like bunching, and it's just not gonna look right. So hopefully once my period is done, everything kind of go back to normal and everything. It's just a little bit not as bloated and tight feeling. But anyways, if you guys are interested in Stitch Fix, I'll leave my link down in the description box. It is a $20 styling fee. So pretty much anything you decide to keep out of the Stitch Fix that you get, $20 will be credited to the purchase. And like I said earlier, if you do end up keeping everything, you get an additional 25% off of your total, which is pretty cool. I really do wish that maybe they would give some type of incentive if you do buy like 2 or between like 2 and 3 items, you get or 2 to 4 items, you get like 15% off or something like that. Because there's been plenty of times where like I almost bought the whole entire fix because I wanted the discount, but at the same time it was just like, oh, like there's that one item I was just like not too crazy about, and they just like ends up sitting in my closet or just like trying to sell it. But I really do wish maybe Stitch Fix will consider that. So that completes today's video. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye guys.